Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna be showcasing the EPTISON, whatever it's called, but it's EPTISON. Let's go open it. Alright guys, we got this. I'll show y'all it. You can see whatever this is. You have the user guide, so it comes with the arm, a mic, that thingy, whatever it's called, I forgot what it's called. And then we got the mic. This is what the mic looks like. It looks longer than I expected it to look. Then we got, look, lucky customer gift. Enjoy your life. Thank you. And it says, may happiness follow you everywhere, just like we do. Oh my god. Thank you. This just made my day. Alright. Then we got this thing. What is this called again, guys? Comment down, let me know what it's called. Then oh my god, this is squished, guys. It's squished. The king squished. What the heck? Oh my god, look. There's a bump. Y'all see this? There's a bump on it. Not the best condition. Then that's what it looks like. The USB. What kind of thing is this? Never seen that before. And then, oh, this is a cool port. I like this one. This is the way I got this, because of this, and because it was only like $40. It's a cheap mic. Hopefully the quality is good and it's worth it. I'll let you guys know. We'll do a mic test later on this video. And we got the mic, of course. And then we got the arm. Oh my god. Y'all can see, this is my old mic, right? But it's broken. I don't know why this thing broke. I don't know how it broke. Oh, it's gonna be a pain to take off. It's broken. It's like it's broken. That's why I have this as a replacement. Ah, dang! Look at that. New arm. Let's go. And then this thing. This is like for the clamp, I think. You can tool into it. And I think that's pretty much all in the box. Open this. Yeah, that's all, guys. Alright, let's go build it. All we have to do is insert it. I was having trouble, like, I'm gonna put this in there, just like shove it in there, but it's not. It's too tight. So what y'all want to do, you all see this right here? Y'all ever do get this? You have to push this down so it opens up bigger, right? And you put the mic in there. And that's all you gotta do, is put it in. I was struggling, but this is what the instruction says. You gotta open it and do that. Right, I was gonna go just shove it in there. But I was gonna do this. We did it. Right now, let's go test out the mic. Let's go. As you guys can see, this is my new mic, the EPTISON. Y'all tell me how it sounds. Is it nice? Is it good? But this is how it sounds. I'll be showcasing my the one that I have on my head, the headset. All right, guys, this is my trash one. Let me know if it's good or not. Let me know if the other one's better or isn't better. This is the older mic, the one that I use for backup since my Blue Yeti broke. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I told my friends about it. Like, they said it's super good. They said it's better than my headset mic, and it's totally worth it, guys. This is only $40. If you're looking for a mic and you're on a budget, this is it, guys. It comes with the arm. A pretty good headset. It's good. Get it if you are looking for a mic. Get it. It's worth it. Alright, that's pretty much it for the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.